Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, if you have a Mazda CX-7, I know it doesn't look like one, but this is a Mazda CX-7 that we're taking completely apart. And you're guys trying to find and replace your ABS pump or your ABS traction control module. Stay with us, we'll show you where it's located and we'll explain what needs to be done. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. We'll be taking the whole thing apart. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So, let's show you what I'm talking about here now. So, we guys, we'll have more than 200 electrical and 200 mechanical videos on how to repair, guys. This is our main channel, check it out. We're actually doing here a turbo replacement on this one, turbo replacement, and we'll be removing the engine to service a few more things as well. We'll have a video how to replace timing chain, please check it out. And now, with all that removed, I can actually show you a little bit better where the ABS and the brake pump is located and the traction control pump. So, as you can see, guys, you will need to remove, right here, your intake manifold, the whole box. You need to remove your battery, your battery mount that is on the bottom, right here. This is the intake, this is the battery mount there. All that is removed, and once you remove it, guys, towards the back, right here, you're going to notice, this is your ABS brake pump. Now this pump, you can just replace it. It has only two bolts, one right there, one on the back side. You pull it out, you replace it with a new one. We'll have a video how to test it as well. If you want to replace, guys, the brake pump module and the traction control module, it's that black box right here. A little bit hard for me to show you, but it's that black box right there. It has 4 or 5, I think, screws, little ones, but unfortunately you cannot remove it because it's too close to the body. The only way to do that, guys, is you will have to disconnect your brake lines. When you disconnect your brake lines, you're going to pull it out, right there, and you'll be able to pull it to the left and you will be able to remove it. There is one wire, big thing of wires that goes inside. All we have to do is just disconnect that. But pretty much, guys, that's how we do it. On some cars you can just replace the black box right here. On some it's so close to the frame, like this one here, that it's practically, guys, impossible. You can see it is stuck in there. It has 2 bolts on the bottom that hold it to the mount, and then you can pull it a little bit to the side. But in order to remove and replace the whole assembly, you will have to disconnect your brake line. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.